Hello friends, welcome back to my videos. In this video, I have taken Sijimali Hills as topic for our English practice. So let's get started. The Sijimali Hills are located in the Raigada district of Odisha. They are very beautiful and green. Many people love these hills because they provide fresh air and peace. The area is also known for its rich red soil. These hills are home of several tribal communities. The people there live very simple lives. They depend on the forest for their foods, medicine, and daily needs. They respect the mountains and treat them like their own family. Bauxite is a special mineral found inside these hills. The mineral is used to make aluminium, which is important for many industries. Because of this, companies wants to start mining project to dig deep into the Sijimali hill soils. Mining can bring new jobs and better roads to the region. Many people think it will help the local economy grow. They hope it will bring schools, hospitals, and more opportunities for youth living in the villages. However, there is a big concern about environment. Many people believe that mining will destroy the natural beauty of the hills. If the trees are cut down, it will affect the birds, animals, and the plants living there. Water is another big issue for local villagers. The hills have many natural springs that give clean drink water. If mining stops this, the people will face a water crisis during the long hot summer month every year. The tribal people strongly resisting the mining plans. They have formed communities to protect their land and culture. They argue that the way of life is more important than industrial profit and they are fighting for their rights. The government is trying to find a middle path. They want to encourage industry while also protecting the tribal people. It is very difficult task to keep everyone happy and ensure that no one loses their precious home. The legal system is currently reviewing the situation carefully. Experts are checking the impact on nature and the right of the villagers. Both sides are waiting for a fair decisions that will respect the law and environment too. The final result remains uncertainty as of now. Everyone is watching closely to see what happens next. The story of Sijimali is about finding a balance between modern progress and the need to protect our beautiful natural world for the future. This topic came to highlight because there is a clear dispute going on between the government side and the local tribals.